Good evening, everyone. Let us start Module 2, Lesson number 7, Percent Error. Let us understand its meaning. Percent means comparing a number by 100. Per means divide, cent means 100, yani divided by 100, which means compare by 100. If 35% is given, it means 35 out of 100. So this is percent. Error यानी mistake. Let's say someone estimated some value, guessed some value, but it was not equal to the actual value. It was more or less than the actual value. So it means there is a mistake in the estimation, and that mistake is known as error. Okay? Let us try to understand it with the help of an example. In this lesson, we have to convert the errors into percentage. Okay? So first we will find the error and then we will change it into percent. Let's do it. In this picture you can see a teacher has taken a quiz. Now this student here in the yellow t-shirt, he guessed that he will get 20 marks in the quiz. Now he guessed his marks, yani this is the estimated value. So he estimated that he will get 20 out of 20 marks in the quiz. But the teacher checked the quiz and told him, dear, you have got 18 out of 20 marks. Yani there was the actual value was 18 and his estimated value was 20. Now you can clearly see there is a difference between the actual and the estimated value, and that is our error. So how do we find the error? The estimated value minus the actual value. Now he estimated he will get 20 marks, but actually he got 18 marks. So he made an error of total 2 marks, correct? So this is my error. But we have to change this error into percentage because he wants us to find the percent error. Check the question. Find the percent error. How will I do it? Very simple. Percent error, there is a simple formula. Put the error up like we did in the percent change. Put the error up, put the actual value down. Now this will become my fraction, the number. If I want to convert it into fraction, simply multiply by 100. If you remember percent change, same like percent change. So what is the error? 2 divide, let me do it here. The error is 2, right? Divided by the actual value was how much? Actually he got 18 marks, right? So actual will be 18, then times 100. Simple. Now let us solve it. See, 2 and 18 both comes in the table of 2. So I can do divide 2 here, divide 2 here. 2 divide 2, 1. 18 divide 2, 9. Okay. What do I have now? 1 times 100. 1 times 100 will be 100 divided by 9. And when you will do 100 divided by 9, you will get 11.11%. So the error is 11.11%. If you want to see Taksim, I can do Taksim here for you. 100 divided by 9. See, 9 times 1, 9. Do minus 1 here. Again 0 down. So for the 10, again 9 times 1, 9. Do minus 1 here. Now there is no number to bring down. I will put the decimal. Again I will get 0. See, 10 is coming again, right? So it will keep on going 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I simply wrote 11.11%. Okay. So again, what are the two important formulas? Number one is this one. Okay. How will you find the error? The estimate value minus the actual value. Then how will you convert it into percent? Using this formula. You will put the error up, you will put the actual value down, and then multiply by 100 and you will get the answer. Let us try to solve some questions. Now in part A, he said find the error, right? Find the error. Very simple. He doesn't say here, he didn't said percent error. Yani we just have to find the error. So how do we find the error? Estimate minus actual, correct? So what is the estimate here? 1300. And what is the actual value? 1500. Now it will give me negative of 200. Yani the estimate was less than the actual value. The minus sign tells me that the estimate was less than the actual value. And if it is positive, yani the estimate was more than the actual value. Okay? Now, for why do we need this sign? Let me tell you. Let's say the actual value was 1500 and someone told me that like some boy, okay, Ahmed made an error of 200. Now 200 can be plus also and 200 can be minus also. If I will do plus 200, this will become 1700. Yes or no? And if I will do minus 200, it will become 1300. So we must know whether it is plus or minus. So this plus or minus tells me whether the estimate value is less or more. Now next question again, error will be estimate value minus the actual value. So error will be 215.50 minus 250.75. Again you can see here that the estimated value is less than the actual value, so the answer will be in negative only. So first you can do subtraction, just do bigger number minus smaller number. Let me take this space. Okay, then 215.50, do minus 5 here, 2 here, point. We cannot do 0 minus 5, so I will take the 1 from here and this will become 10 and this will become 4. 10 minus 5 will be 5, 4 minus 1 will be 3, 2 minus 2 0, so 35.25, 35.25, but it will be minus. Why? Because we are doing small number minus big number. So whenever we do small minus big, answer will be in minus. Yani the estimated value was less than the actual value. Okay? Now let's move to the next question. Okay. Abdul Rahman estimated that he will get 75 out of 100 marks. Okay, he estimated that he will get 75 marks, correct? But he actually got 90 out of 100. So actual value was 90 marks. So he wants us to find the percent error. So first of all, let us find the error. Error is estimate minus actual. So 75 minus 90, which will give me minus of 15. See, the estimate is lesser than the actual, so the answer is in minus. Now the percent error, I told you put the error up, that is minus 15, then put the actual value down, that is 90, and then finally times 100. Now just solve it. 15 and 90 both comes in the table of 15. So I can do divide 15 here, divide 15 here. 15 divide 15, 1. But it will be minus 1 because there is a minus sign with the 15. 90 divide 15 will be 6. Why? Because 15 times 6 gives me 90. That is why 90, if I send the 90 here, or 15 here, so 90 divide 15 will be 6. Okay. Now finally, what do we have? 100 times minus 1, minus 100 divided by 6 here. The answer will be 6 times minus 6 times 1, 6, 4, 0, 6 times 6, 36.67%. When you will do Taqsim, you will get this answer. Okay, I have shown you how to do Taqsim in several examples, so now I think you can do it by yourself. The module 2 is over after this question. You can watch all the videos, practice the question from the book. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can always ask me in the school. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Take care. Goodbye.